In this episode, we talk about maintenance care reviews left by some of its own users and summarize the themes. Let's get into it. Hi there, welcome to part 8 of a 10-part series on everything that you need to know about maintenance care. I'm Devon Hennig with SelectHub, and I'm here to give you a detailed tour and my honest, unbiased opinions about maintenance care, its platform, its pricing, its alternatives, and more. In this episode, we're talking about maintenance care reviews. Let's start with the good. There are many customer stories about how maintenance care has helped organizations of all sizes. Here are 3 themes commonly mentioned in maintenance care reviews. Number 1, easy to use. Across the board, online reviews say that maintenance care is user-friendly when it comes to submitting and managing work orders, tracking history, and automating tasks. Setup is straightforward, and the time it takes to get up and running is incredibly fast. As far as proof, here's a customer quote about simplicity. Setting maintenance care up was so simple. Everyone was very communicative, very helpful, very supportive. The whole training was so efficient and so well done, and they follow up. It was just very easy, very smooth. From my research, there isn't anything that can better this product. Number 2, top-notch preventative maintenance. Users love that maintenance care's features for preventative maintenance help lessen reactive work and reduce downtime, thus boosting productivity and extending the lifespans of equipment. Looking for proof? Here's a quote about preventative maintenance. The preventative maintenance program that's part of the software, you never miss another preventative maintenance. Your equipment lasts longer because it's taken care of. This program has changed my life. It has changed the way we do things daily. Number 3, unbeatable pricing and support. Many maintenance care reviews mention that the number 1 reason for choosing maintenance care was cost. From nonprofits counting every penny to larger organizations that want to be able to scale without having to worry about ballooning user costs, maintenance care's pricing is unmatched for what you're getting. Plus, the fact that setup is inexpensive and support is unlimited is a nice cherry on top. Here's a quote from Haven Hill Retirement Center about competitive pricing. Daryl Bennett says, "The reason I like maintenance care, and I choose them hands down over anybody else, is that the month-to-month cost fee for it is reasonable and you can stop at any time if you felt like it isn't for you. It's been wonderful working with this team. They've solved so many problems of ours, and it's a pretty exciting program to work with." There you go, some of the most positive themes from maintenance care's customer reviews. Conversely, here are some of the cons of what users say they would like to see improved. Number 1, more flexible printing options. Some users have said they would like more flexibility when it comes to how they print information. Somewhere on Software Advice stated, "I always want to see who the vendor is, and I have to specifically open and display the vendor in the columns. But when I want to print the screen display I have, there's a predetermined template that prints without the information I need." Number 2, improved picture sharing. While you're able to upload any file type, including photos, videos, schematics, and training documents to cloud-based storage, some users seem to feel that the sharing abilities could be improved. Pictures uploaded through the app may not be available for everyone to view or print and requires manual sharing and uploading to the work order. Number 3, accounting and finance features. Some users have suggested building more advanced accounting features into the CMMS to help finance teams. While the current reports are valuable for capital planning, Joseph on Software Advice suggested creating an accounting portion or report that would track time, average time, and cost of work orders by individual work orders, weekly, monthly, annually, that would greatly help in demonstrating the expenses and time for each of our programs. There you go, some of the top pros and cons of maintenance care. Individual experiences vary, so it's essential for organizations considering maintenance care to evaluate the platform based on their specific requirements, and to get a demo to better understand the fit with their business. For the rest of this series, including maintenance care pricing and alternatives, check out the links in the description. If you're at the point you just want to talk to someone or see maintenance care in action, get a demo in the description or download our CMMS resources. They're great if you're still in the research phase of your buying journey. All right, folks, that's it, that's all. Have a good one. Cheers.